Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about this beautiful Anna ornament that I have. It is a 2020 Hallmark ornament, and this one is from Frozen 2, which you can tell it's got this really cool strip on it, which you know because it was all about kind of the elements in Frozen 2. So this was kind of a really nice detail and touch to this ornament. I love to collect these for my daughter. They are the beautiful Disney princesses. I love adding to my collection. They're all hand painted. I love just how they've nailed every single color on the detail of this. Look at her boots and her beautiful cape. It's got her gorgeous red hair and her face. The detail is amazing. And like I said, I really love how they added just this part of the wind to it. And you can see it's clear with the leaves. I thought that that was such a different unique feature, and it really made it part of the movie, which I really love because I am a massive Disney fan. So this was just great, and Anna is my favorite from Frozen, so of course I had to have it. But that's just my point of view.